Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Today is a short video, so it won't be a tip as I usually do. But today I wanted to talk to you about conversion rate optimization. So only last week I caught up with one of our customers who subscribed to the SEO monthly package, and they have been with me for almost 2 months. So it will be 2 months. They subscribed end of April, so it's like 1 month and a half because today is like 9th of June. 9th of June. So obviously they signed up in the middle of the pandemic, and their conversion rate was 2.5, as I remember. No, it was just 2%. However, after they have been operating for 3 years, but they were relying heavily on Facebook ads, so all the traffic coming to the website was coming from Facebook ads, meaning they had to pay for every single click to their website. And although they were selling like crazy, their profit margin was really low because they were spending all of it on Facebook ads. They were making $20-$30 a pair of boxers. They were making maybe $3, like pure profit after paying for the product. And Facebook ads obviously was eating into that the heaviest. So that's when they discovered my services, obviously SEO packet. They disproved a result over and over and over again for a number of my customers. After 6 weeks, well, our initial consultation was really to review their strategy. When I found out that after 3 years of operating, they had virtually no sales from free traffic, from Google traffic, I was blown away. I mean, how can you not have a headache if you have to pay for every single click to your website after 3 years? For 3 years, I mean, I understand that once they started seeing results from Facebook, obviously they wanted to continue. They didn't want to focus on other traffic sources in the fear of losing sales. However, they were kind of trapped in this kind of situation, that they had to keep feeding the beast in order to bring them certain results. So I encourage them to really turn things around and focus on getting free traffic. And what they did is reached out to few podcasts in their niche to sponsor the podcast. So they reached out to two sports related podcasts because they were selling men's boxers, so they knew that their target audience would be listening to this type of podcast. So this is really smart thinking. They knew what kind of content their customers are interested in, and they sponsored two podcasts. And after a month of doing so, they boosted their sales by 60%. So I caught up with them last week. The last 30 days chart was 60% boost in sales, and conversion rate improved from 2% to 552%, which was amazing. This was really amazing boost, and I was really proud that I was part of that. I helped them find this way. What they also said, that they cut their Facebook ad spend in half and still boosted their sales. So this is the way to go. You need to find how to cut the Facebook ad spend. If you have been operating for more than a year and you still rely on Facebook ads, this is the moment where you start looking into alternative ways, because 1 year was enough for you to generate some kind of position in Google, to generate ranking. So make sure to start focusing on more organic reach, more organic traffic, such as Facebook, not Facebook, Google organic traffic, backlinks. Reach out to others in your niche. Social media, and I don't mean paid traffic from social media, but social media posting like Instagram. TikTok is so powerful. TikTok is crazy right now, and you can use TikTok in a smart way. You just need to find how to do it. I won't be able to review this strategy in this video, but I'm sure I will cover the TikTok strategy. I'm new to this platform, but I start to see the potential. So make sure to focus on organic traffic, reduce the Facebook ads cost, and in another video I also tell you how to use Google Analytics to see which of the platforms convert the best for you, to focus on this platform and drop the other platforms that don't convert. So make sure to check it out now. Please do me a great favor, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the algorithm, and hit the bell to get notified every time I add new video. There's new video coming every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also check the other videos shown here and see even more clips on my YouTube channel. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.